have so far. Prototype assets made with Blender. Footstep sound effects, object interaction, and sit on a chair function. In the Actions menu, we duplicate Sit button and call it something like EnterOffice button. We'll keep it at the top since it's only going to show for disk-type objects. Two lightweight scripts power the new EnterOffice function. Chair controller, assigned to the character, triggers the chair animation when entering the office. Desk controller, assigned to the desk, connects the desk to the assigned chair. The EnterOffice button logic connects two key scripts. Player interaction handler decides if the character should sit first, and the object interaction adds a button that calls EnterOffice when clicking on a desk. Time to animate. Let's set up the animator first. Loop time unchecked before dragging the animation in. We create the trigger EnterOffice and add it in the transition conditions. We start by animating the arms first. Doesn't look bad. Let's bend the chest back a bit so it feels like he's dragging the chair. As well as for the head to nod down slightly. But nothing happens. Under rig configuration, we only see a neck bone. Guess he's kept head day. We're not touching this for now. Instead, we're gonna have the head's transform path manually and adjust rotation. And it works. Felt like we got somewhere. Looks more natural now, but still a bit slow. Let's speed it up. Time for the chair to join the animation. We create new empty chair idle clip and create EnterOffice chair from it simply by animating the chair to move forward after adding it to the chair animator. As exit time is unchecked and EnterOffice trigger is set as a condition. Next we add an animation event to the EnterOffice character clip to call chair entrance animation, but the method we need wasn't showing up in the event list. AI suggests assigning the script to the chair, but it should actually be on the character, and then we assign the chair in the inspector. So yeah. Now that the function is available, we just need to sync the timing between the character and the chair. Still needs some work. Now let's fix a few glitches. We start by fixing the loading right leg. This keyframe in right lower leg stretch was causing it. Once removed, the leg snapped back to normal. We went to mixamo.com to download the same animation again, but without keyframe reduction. But the right leg still acts weirdly, so the issue lies elsewhere. If you enjoy editing animations, then it's not gonna be a problem. Now let's see the stamp to sit animation. The character has a forward twitch before the animation starts, and it's not caused by the set point position. Adjusted the character's position along the Z-axis, frame by frame. Looks much better now. But he still dances a bit when reaching set point. Could be the model or the glider that is causing the issue. We don't have a clear answer yet. Got ideas? Let us know in the comments. For now, it looks... yeah. The walking animation doesn't show up from time to time when he walks to the sit point. The sitting down looks okay though. After asking AI about the missing walking animation when triggering sit down and EnterOffice, it suggested updating the function that makes the character move to sit point to ensure the is walking parameter is always true when heading to the sit point. After around 40 test runs, the fix is working 100% for now. We start by creating an empty game object called camera and move main camera under it. Then we create the camera controller script and assign it to camera and set floor as the camera's target. Now let's see what the script has to offer. Orbiting looks smooth and responsive, while the panning doesn't work well since the fixed Y position locks its movement. We'll deal with that another time. When setting the character and the camera's target, the camera orbits automatically while he moves but doesn't follow. It stays locked to his starting position. Pressing Alt once again resets the camera to his updated position. Now let's create the scene transition. We add a UI panel or an image under the main canvas and expand it across the whole screen. We want to control the fade in and out for the script. After creating a new scene, we added to it the game objects needed from the initial scene. The script scene fade transition was added to the character, and that transition to the work disk scene will be triggered by an animation event that will be placed at the end of the character's EnterOffice animation clip. Let's watch the scene transition. If you're enjoying the content and want to see the workspace keep evolving, please consider subscribing to the channel. And for early access to new episodes, behind the scenes footage, and downloadable game assets, your friend is now on Patreon too. Support them in the link below. And here we are, in the world disk scene. We add the screen, a world space canvas under laptop. Then add a button to enter the next scene. This button uses 3 sprites. The default one goes into source image. We set the button transition to sprite swap and assign the hover and press states. If the button doesn't react at all, we disable the main canvas, the button suddenly works. The issue was the graphics tray caster on the main canvas blocking input. We had a simple script to handle the scene transition. We'll close the episode here. Let's see what he's cooking for the next one.